The Adriatic honey fig boasts a deep ancient heritage, a staple crop for millennia.
The sweetest figs in the market, grandmother. Fresh this morning.
They look perfect. Here is your payment.
Adriatic honey figs provided crucial sustenance. Dried or preserved, they offered energy-rich nutrition. We must select only the healthiest wood to ensure vigorous growth and abundant fruiting in the future.
The germination process is mesmerizing. As the tiny green shoots emerge, a strong fiber.
We apply this organic mulch to retain soil moisture, regulate the temperature, and suppress any weeds. Early detection is crucial. We photograph any suspicious lesions and immediately log the GPS data for systematic mapping of the orchard.
This late winter pruning is crucial for the Adriatic honey. It improves air circulation and sunlight, preventing chafing wounds that invite disease.
This late winter pruning technique encourages new growth that will bear fruit in the coming season.
By cutting just above a strong bud like this, we direct the tree's energy, ensuring consistent growth and maximizing the yield of our Adriatic honey figs.
During extended dry periods, we supplement the drip irrigation with careful hand watering.
Leaf tissue analysis provides vital insights into nutrient uptake and helps tailor fertilization programs for optimal growth and fruit development.
This practice improves sunlight penetration, enhances fruit ripening, and reduces the risk of fungal disease.
We install these sturdy wooden supports directly beneath the heaviest branches. This prevents breakage and ensures the fruit.
We aerate the soil to create small channels. This improves oxygen penetration to the root zone, enhances water infiltration. These microorganisms enhance nutrient uptake, improve soil structure, and bolster the natural defenses of the Adriatic honey fig tree.
These specific plants naturally deter common fig pests through their strong scents or by attracting beneficial insects.
Through crop rotation and cover cropping, we enrich the soil with organic matter, fix nitrogen, and suppress weeds.
Hidden within the pea-sized syconium.
The sequence illustrates the critical role of the fig wasp. It enters the fruit through the ostiole, navigating
The subtle shift in the Adriatic Honey Fig's vibrant green skin indicates the perfect window for harvest.
The Adriatic honey variety demands meticulous handpicking to preserve its quality and flavor.
Slide it right here. Got it. Secure the netting. Secure the netting.
On this stainless steel conveyor, our Adriatic honey figs undergo an initial gentle dry cleaning.
A gentle spray of clean, potable water removes any remaining residue, highlighting the pristine cleanliness of the fruit.
The Adriatic honey figs gently descend into a shallow, agitated immersion bath. They are
इधर लाओ, जल्दी करो।
ठीक है, पकड़ लिया।
Pliability is excellent on this batch.
Moisture content is reading right at 18%. Looks good for packaging.
Fractometer confirms the optimal sugar concentration. This crucial measurement guarantees the consistent sweetness and shelf stability of the batch.
The preserves are hot-filled into sterilized glass jars on this automated line, ensuring a vacuum seal.
The jars move through a cooling tunnel. Emphasize temperature control.
This active composting process breaks down the organic matter into rich, nutrient-dense compost for soil and
This meticulous process guarantees that only the highest quality dried figs reach the consumer, maintaining their tender condition from the farm to your table.
Automated palletization ensures these Adriatic honey figs are stacked in a precise, interlocking pattern.
Fully palletized cartons of fresh Adriatic honey figs are carefully transported into our state-of-the-art refrigerated storage, ensuring optimal preservation.
The next pallet goes in aisle 4, bay 12. Make sure there's enough room for circulation.
Aisle 4, bay 12. Copy that.
Once fully palletized, the Adriatic honey fig preserves are moved into this climate-controlled ambient storage, ensuring long-term quality and safety.
Make sure these are the Adriatic honey. Check lot 42B.
Yes, sir. Confirmed on the manifest.
All right, team, let's get these Adriatic honey figs unloaded. 40 pallets total. Keep the cold chain moving.
Copy that, manager. Moving the first stack now.
These are incredibly sweet and tender.